Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest para sa Gary Channel, a faith healer o Zumata reader. So, ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is a special gabay for the month of March 11 hanggang March 17 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey ng mga nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages? Ay advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, eto na tunghayin at bubulabugin natin angel spirit. Please give me information po. Okay, so there is a Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of your actions. Mag-ingat po kayo sa bawat kilos, galaw, at ng mga salitang binibigkas nyo or binabanggit nyo, no? Dahil may mga bagay na aring magagamit sa iyo to, or either kumbaga ito yung magbibigay kapahabakan sa iyo, or either guys, na maaring agawang ka ng spot, no? Maaring may mga gumagaya sa iyo or may mga kumbaga kumukuha ng impormasyon sa iyo tapos pangunguna o unahan ka na. No, parang yung ideas mo dapat sa iyo yon or magkakaroon ka ng promotion, ganon. Kumbaga aagawin, kumbaga sinasabi sa iyo mag-ingat po kayo. And there's the King of Swords, no? Being wise, no? Maging matalino, no? Pagdating sa mga desisyon. And there's the King of Swords with the stop the pattern. Tuloy mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa iyo, yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi magsiserve sa iyo. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Represent what? With the Eight of Wands. So there's something fast communication and fast movement. So bibilis ang takbo ng eksena to. There's something messages, phone call. No, there's something email and messages and transactions coming in for you. Especially there's something trouble. No, may trouble kayo. Additional messages now with the Justice card. There's a good karma coming in for you. The justice will be served. A consequences are yours. No, maaring you are on the luck is in your side. So maaring ito na yung panahon ng pagkakataon para makuha mo ng totoong hustisya, no? Ng iyong kapalaran. So, let's see. And because guys, there's something that you want. So, waiting for a result, waiting for a ship. No, kung may mga hinihintay kayo, document papers, maaaring dumating na. And some of you guys may trouble, na maaaring makakaalis na talaga kayo. Let's see. Additional messages. So, this is a high fight for a lesson learned. No, matuto na kayo sa mga pinagdaanan nyo, matuto na kayo on how to manage your time, no, how to manage your effort, and how to manage your life, no, yung buhay nyo pagdating sa pag-ibig. Let's see what is the Five of Swords. Represent what? There's the Lovers. So, see, nagkakaroon self-sabotage not because of this eksena, no, mag-ingat po kayo pagdating sa pag-ibig, no, maaaring kumbaga, kaya yan, nagiging ganyan yung partner nyo dahil din sa inyo, no, mag-ingat po kayo. Kumbaga, baka sa mga words nyo, no, magbabago ang lahat. And this is the King of Swords, representing a judgment with a wake-up call. Now, this is the moment, guys, na parang bigyan liwanag, no, ang inyong isip. No, bigyan liwanag ang utak mo. O kailangan mong, kumbaga, magising sa katotohanan. No, na kailangan mo ng kumilos at gumalaw, no, na naayon sa iyong sa isipan, no, na kailangan mo maging matalino sa desisyon, maging wise at maging practical. So let's see what is the Eight of Wands. Let's see what is the Eight of Wands represented with the Three of Swords in reverse. It's something, a recovery from the pain, a recovery from something na delays, no, postpones, cancellations, no, makaka-recover ka na from that. No, magkakaroon ka ng fast communication, parang nagkaroon kasi dito na parang disappointment. But definitely, maaaring unti-unti mo na matatanggap, no, yung mga nagkaroon ng problema. So, let's see what is the Justice card. represent with the Nine of Cups. See? There is something, guys, with a wish fulfillment. So, talaga matutupad talaga lahat ng mga pangarap mo na magkakaroon dito ng, kumbaga, paying off, no? There's a fruit of labor. Talagang lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo, this is the moment, no? Na makamtan mo, mahawakan mo, maramdaman mo. Let's see what is the Three of Wands. I represent with a full card. So this is something, guys, with a new beginning coming in for you. May bagong simula, bagong pag-asa, no, na maaaring magsimula ng panibagong eksena. And guys, there's something, the full card represents some blessing. No, there's a blessing, guys, na hinihintay yung dumating. Ito na yung darating na. What is the Hierophant? Represent what? There's the King, the Knight of Pentacles, being security. Magiging secure ka ngayon sa sarili mo. Natuto ka na or matututo ka na or dapat ka nang matuto sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. Let's see what is the Five of Swords, the Lovers. Referencing with the Seven of Swords. There's something sneaky cheating lying on you. No? Mag-ingat po kayo dahil maaring lokohin kayo o maaring manloko kayo. No? May ganun sistema. No? Na maaring ikaw o yung person mo, some of you cross-watcher out there, na maaring maloko ka dahil dito sa mga na parang misunderstood, no? Parang, kumbaga, hindi nyo na pagkakaunawaan, nagkaroon ng eksena na parang binaling yung attention sa iba, ganon. So, let's see what is the King of Swords, because the Judgment. There's the King of Wands. Ambition. Lagi nyo pakakatandaan na titignan nyo lagi yung possibilities, no? Yung outcome ng gagawin mo. Kaya pala pinapaalalahanan ka, baka ikaw yung sa yung manggaling, no? On third wheel. Now, what is the Eight of Wands? Because the Three of Swords in reverse. So, parang lalapitan ka ng tukso dito. And there's a Four of Swords by intuitions, no? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo rin ng pahinga. There's a lot of recovery pang mangyayari, no? Unti-unti ka na makakaranas dito ng parang ginahawang pakiramdam. What is the Justice card? Because the Nine of Cups. Represent, guys, with the Queen of Wands. Confidence, no? Lakasan mo loob mo, tapangan mo. Kailangan mong maging balance sa emotional, physical, mental. So, there's something, the Three of Wands, because the Full card. Represent with the Temperance. So, this is something, guys, with a healing. Na magkakaroon ka ng healing, and there's a solid foundation. No, itong blessing na ito, maaaring magiging malakas at magiging maganda, matibay, no? Hindi siya kagad, kumbaga, I think, parang magiging pang matagalan ka dito sa trabaho o negosyo mo. So, let's see what is the Hierophant, because the Nine of Pentacles represent with the Two of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make. So, kailangan mo magdesisyon, no? Kailangan mo gumawa ng action dito na kailangan mo maging secure sa kung ano man plano mo, sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Chariot card. There's something movement, no? There's something changes coming in for you. And this is something, the Page of Pentacles, no? There's something, a new plans, no? There's a new plan, new ideas, and there's a new opportunities and investment, no? There's a Chariot card for something in action. So, ibig sabihin, kumilos, gumalaw ka na kung anong gusto mong gawin, gawin mo na as soon as possible. No? Kumaga, keep your eyes on your target and intentions. So, let's see, what is additional messages for finances and career? There's a Seven of Cups with something opportunities. Na marami pang oportunidad na papasok dito. And this is a Star card for healing and recovery about sa finances. So, ibig sabihin, mas lalong lalakas ang iyong finances. Let's see what is additional messages. So, there's the King of Cups. There's a devoted for the person. May taong sumusupport at gumagabay sa'yo, even your finances, no? Nagkakaroon dito with a partnership. So, let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa love life. So, love life mo naman, guys, there's an Eight of Cups. Now, there's something moving on or getting away from the situation na makakalaya ka na from this toxic relationship, and the Hermit card is something spiritual awakening. Na maliliwanagan ka na bakit ibinigay sa'yo, bakit nangyayari to, bakit nagkaroon ng kaganapan gato. That because of this person ay, kumbaga, punong-puno ng komplikasyon, no? Ang inyong relasyon ay maraming mga sagabal at marami talagang tutol. And this is of Swords. Kung kayo talaga sa isa't isa, nasusungkit mo ang corona, no? Makukuha mo talaga yung taong para sa iyo kung talagang para siya sa'yo, kung para siya talaga sa iyo. So, let's see additional messages about sa health. There's a page of Sorber, get more information. Marami ka pang bagay na dapat malalaman sa iyong kalusugan. There's a Four of Pentacles with something protectionan mo ang iyong sarili, ang iyong kalusugan na pangalagaan mo. No, iwasan mo yung mga bagay na hindi makakatulong sa iyo. And there's a Five of Pentacles, no, na magkakaroon ka ng financial loss dito. No, and this is something that's Ten of Wands. No, maaaring magkakaroon ka talaga dito ng kumbaga problema, no, na maaring humantong dito with a financial loss, financial crisis. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat po kayo na baka isa sa maging dito problema nyo ay pera talaga. Isa sa maging problema dito yung about sa pera na magbibigay stress sa'yo and depression sa'yo. Kaya mag-ingat po kayo. Kasi pinasense ako dito na maaaring may scam kayo, no? So, let's see what is additional messages with the Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? Represent with a comfort zone. So, kailangan mo na kumawala sa kinakatakutan mo, no? Sa mga bagay na nagbibigay duwag sa'yo. And this is something shadow side with the Moon card. No, at truth reveal. Lahat ng mga bagay ilalantad sa'yo, ipapakita sa'yo, ibabahagi sa'yo. And this is something release and surrender. Napakawalan, bitawan mo yan. No, it's something negative traits. No, kaya kailangan yung pakawalan yan. Kasi yan ang magdadala sa'yo ng negative outcome. Kaya nagkakaroon ng cancellation and delay sa mga eksena nyo. Kaya iwasan nyo mag-isip ng kung ano-anong negatibo. What is a magical fairy messages to represent what? Represent with a love life and healing, healed, healer. Maaring unti-unti na kayong ihilom sa pag-ibig, pagmamahal. No? Maaring na-betray kayo, niloko kayo, ginaslight kayo. And this is something assertiveness. Alam mo dapat sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. Let's see what is additional messages with the synchronicities represent what? For synchronicities represent planting seeds. So, see, kumbaga merong itinanim dito na maaaring anihin na. There's a speaking truth. Malalaman mo lahat ng katotohanan dito. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, kailangan mo magtanim na magagandang bagay, no? Iwasan mo nga, kumbaga, pag nalaman mo yung totoo, magiging aggressive ka. So, kaya kailangan mo maging kalmado all the time. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels for the Mystic Love Oracle deck. Represent what? Represent with unexpected shift all of the sudden, no? May mga biglaang pagbabago magaganap dito and there's a crossroad but something na magbibigay sa inyo ng pagtatagpo pa rin, no? Parang sinasabi dito may pinaghiwalay dito mag-asawa, mag-jowa, but this is something karmic relationship. Isa sa bahagi dito na parte kayo ng kumbaga karmic relationship na punong-puno ng komplikasyon at punong-puno ng problema, but definitely guys, pag natapos to, it's a soul ties. It's a something na magdadala sa'yo ng soulmate connection and twin flame energy. Oh my God. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Kaya wag kayong mag-alala kung nagtataka kayo bakit puno kayo ng problema. Ang karmic relationship kasi guys dagdag kaalaman na maaaring nagkakaroon kayo ng problema sa finances, nagkakaroon kayo ng problema with the family, nagkakaroon kayo ng problema with the health, nagkakaroon kayo ng problema with all factors, no? In all aspects, no? Lahat yan, susubukin kayo hanggang sa tatatagang inyong relasyon. Ganun siya. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. And go forward fearlessly. Kailangan mo magpatuloy na walang kinakatakutan, walang kinikiligan. Gano'n kailangan palaban. And because this is something prayer will help you for your situation, no? Magdasal ka daw, makakaalis ka daw sa sitwasyon na ginagalawan mo. And there's a guarded and protected, no? You are being also a guarded. No? Pinoprotection at pinapangalagaan ka. So, let's see what is the angel's answer represent what? And there's a yes. No, the answer unit is here. Na sinasabi na, oo, tama. No, oo, magtatagumpay ka. And this something meditation bring answers. So, kailangan mo lang mag-meditate, magdasal, mag-devotion. And this something big happy changes coming in for you. Dahil may malaking pagbabago magaganap sa buhay mo na magdadala sa inyo recovery. Unti-unti ka na makaka-recover. My God. So, let's see. About with a Romance Angel represent what? represent with heart-to-heart to conversation. Some of you guys, no, kailangan nyo mag-usap ng partner mo, ng asawa mo, no, ng jowa mo na kung magano yung kailangan yung pagtulungan. No? And there's a children. No? Meron kayong, pati yung mga anak nyo na apektuhan na, there's a children involved here. So let's see what is additional messages. There's something success coming in for you. Success is waving, but there's something in discipline. So, kailangan nyo ng disiplina, tamang pag-uugali, attitude, charis, ganon, and respect. So, let's see what is additional messages. I told you guys, di ba, double clarification. Di ba? Di ba, double clarification tayo, guys, oh? Oh. There is a karmic relationship and there's a karmic relationship here. See? There is an union of polarity, soul growth, and conflict. See? Punong-puno kayo ng komplikasyon at punong-puno kayo ng problema pagdadaanan. Pagkatapos niyan, kumbaga, kaginahawaan na, no? At magagandang kapalaran na ang inyong malalasap. And there's a star keeper, stay on your ground, no? Manatili ka sa kung ano man ang mga bagay na meron ka. Stay humble. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. And there's a faith, no? Oh my God, it is something spiritual talaga, guys. No, talaga, it's a God purpose. And a God will. And there's something with a faith, no? Dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, ito na yung pagkakalob niyo yung mga bagay na what you deserve, guys. And there's a perfections, no? Babaguhin din dito yung pagiging perfection nyo. Or perfectionist. And there's a mysticism, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, guys, na kumbaga unti-unti mo nang matutuklasan, malalaman yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa na tunay na uunawaan. Ganon. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Sa madaling salita, marami pang misteryo, no? Magugulantang ka. And this is something inner authority, no? Kumbaga, ilaban mo lang ilaban, the angels has your back, no? Ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. So, let's see what is additional messages. With an angel spirit, guys, let's see. And there's an autumn with the environment, guys. No, there's something elemental kingdom na maaaring ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit guides. And there's an astral travel. Na meron kang kakayanan, no, makita yung mga magiging possibilities. No, yung mangyayari in the near future. And this is something violent with spirituality. See, I told you, it's all about spiritual. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's an author, no? Parang ikaw yung gagawa ng kwento mo, ikaw yung magpapaganda ng kwento mo. And this is something trust. So, kailangan mo magtiwala sa sarili mo sa nangyayari sa'yo, no? So, let's see what is additional messages with an energy. And there is a blossoming abundance. Talaga magiging malago talaga ang iyong finances at ang buhay. And there's a caring connection. See? Aalagaan nyo na yung isa't isa. And there's an hostilities po, protection at papangalagaan mo na yung sarili mo. At kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. And this is a thinking man. No? If you are a man, nag-overthink ka. If you are a woman, yung person mo nag-overthink. Let's see what is the Monsology. Your dreams need a practical plan. No? Kung gusto mo matupad yung mga pangarap mo, maging practical ka. And a new romantic cycle begin. Dito magsisimula ng panibagong cycle sa buhay pag-ibig and show the world the real you. Ipakita sa mundo kung sino ka talaga. What is the Jesus loving code said? Whatsoever you shall ask, and of course, watch and pray that you enter not into temptation. See? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, guys, no? Na magdasal ka, pagmasdan yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa paligid mo, na ilayo ka sa tukso. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina pa, di ba, on the first place, na kumbaga ikaw yung gagawa ng ikasisira ng inyong relasyon. Kaya mag-ingat ka. What is the angel's number represent what? Represent with the 666 with the reflect. Na lahat ng mga gagawin mo, magre-reflect lang sa'yo. And this something several unexpected development will enter your life and impact how you feel. This is a chance to reevaluate your identity. You need a mental shift towards a greater optimism, self-assurance, and trust. Put your faith in your gut and inner voice. Pay attention to your feelings and use them to help you become a better person. See? Kumbaga yung mga gabay mo ang tutulong sa'yo para malaman mo kung ano ba talaga ang magiging magandang buhay na nakalaan para sa'yo. At ikaw yung gagawa ng paraan para maging maganda ang takbo ng pamumuhay mo. Kaya nasa iyo nakasalalay kung paano mo babaguhin ang ikot ng iyong kapalaran. So let's see what is the messages of life. Represent what? Unity. May pagkakaisa. So kailangan magkaisa, magtulungan. Today, I bring my attention into the present moment where I become one with my inner light. As I make these conscious connections, I find myself centered in my heart and begin to glow with my own divinity. Union with my inner light provides me with a wise and stable base from which I can now live every day of my life. So see, kumbaga sinasabi dito, bubuksan ng puso at isip mo upang maliwanagan ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa paligid mo at sa buhay mo. Na kailangan mo ng tulong ng isa't isa, nino man, ng iyong mga mahal sa buhay at the same time ng iyong partner, no? Kaya buksan ng isip at puso mo tumanggap, no? Kung paano mo pagyayabungin ng sarili mo at paano mo pagagandahin ang ikot ng kapalaran mo. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of March 11 hanggang March 17 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos. Update ko sa maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!